I thought we could record you playing for a little while. Are you showing the doggy to the camera?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. What about your house?
Mm-hmm.
You play in your house a bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Close.
Close the door. Oh, open the door. Who's in there? Is there anybody inside? No, nobody's inside right now. Put the sheep inside?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Good job. You're placing them very nicely. Do you see them through the window now?
Mm-hmm.
Do you see a lamb inside?
Mm-hmm.
The horse fell down.
Phew.
Is everybody playing inside?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're great.
Great.
Oh, the sheep.
Where?
The sheep.
You're having trouble getting the sheep out?
Mm-hmm.
Look, this one's gonna come out the window. Can this one fit? I think this one's too fat. Oh, help, I'm stuck. Can you take him out the top?
Uh-huh.
Is there one more?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Again.
Mm-hmm.
Back up just a teeny bit.
Uh-huh.
Is there a sheep in the window?
Mm-hmm.
Can you make it go in through the door?
No.
He doesn't want to walk in through the door.
This.
Yeah. Does the horse fit?
Uh-uh. No.
Too big. Can the horse go in from the ceiling?
No, big.
Too big for the door.
Hard.
Oh, he fell down. What about from in there? 1, 2, big jump.
No,
Oh,
big.
he's too big.
No, this.
Lay down, horse. Oh, I found another sheep. This one is a big sheep. It's an old one.
Nothing.
Oh, not there.
There.
Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Hello? Who's there? Look. You can put up a fence for all of our animals.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Now the horse can run around inside the fence.
Oh,
No fence?
no.
Yes, fence. The horse's legs move, and if you line them up right, he can stand up by himself.
Knock, knock.
Knock, knock.
How's the door?
Close the door. sheep gonna go play with the horse?
Yes.
Yeah. What about that one? Can you count them? You say it.
1.
Mm-hmm.
What?
1. What comes next?
2.
2, that's right. What comes next?
3.
3, that's right.
4.
4, that's right.
5.
5. 5, 5.
No.
Can you count with me?
No.
1. What's next?
2.
3, 4. What's that?
5.
5. What about in your hand? What's that?
1.
1. What comes after 5?
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6.
6. That's right.
Oh.
Is the dog going up the slide? Is he gonna come down the slide?
Yes.
Go, doggy, go. Whee. Are you gonna make him go in circles on the rooftop? Let go and he'll go by himself. Just, okay.
Play park.
Play at the park? Oh, that looks fun. What is that? A merry-go-round? Whee! Going in circles?
This.
Yes.
Inside.
Oh, a swing. Wee, 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 wee.
1.
Whoa, the swing is out of control. Cool. Mommy used to pretend that the swing went all the way up and got stuck. Ah! It opened up the roof. How did I do that? How did I make that work? GG. Gentle. Is the dog gonna climb up the slide?
It's open. No. There. No. This.
Oh, did you find something else?
Yeah.
What did you find?
But.
Oh, a slide down there. Oh, I'll show you. Look. Put the doggy right here. Drop. Boom! It came out the end. Where did the doggy go? Oh, all those other toys, huh? What did you find? What is that? Something orange? Are you showing it to everybody? This is Adeline's orange thing. Yeah. Orange. What is that?
White.
White? Does it look, what animal is it?
Chip.
A sheep? I think it's a cow.
No.
It does look kind of like that sheep. I agree. Except it has some orange on it. Okay, we put the cow in the gates. What else goes in the fence?
Bath.
A bath? Do the animals like to take a bath?
It's
Oh.
not so big.
Oh no, the bath fell down. What are you doing there? Oh, the sheep is in the bathtub.
Oh, soap.
Soap? You need soap?
Yes.
How about pretend soap?
Yes.
Let's pretend this is soap. Here's some soap.
Help.
You don't need real soap.